Summit Gear folding utility knife. I've been playing with this, so has my son for the last few days since it's shown up. So this is the knife itself. You got a little clip here, and when you want to open it, you click this little button here, and it opens up. And in this position, so you kind of put your hand here, you can kind of, use this to open up boxes, right? This is a razor, right? So it's always razor sharp, of course, because you can just replace these, and it does come with a few extra pieces right there. And then you can also put it in this position, right? So you can have it straight up just like a normal knife. I really like that you can put your finger through there. If I had some more courage, I would spin this with it open, but probably would slice my finger open. Probably wouldn't recommend that one, but really neat. I like the skeleton sort of design that it has there. I think this comes in a couple different colors. Obviously I got the black one. To open it, and it doesn't swing open, like you can't just like flip it open. You have to use that button. But yeah, it has the word Summit right there. Pretty neat little knife. And I like that you can do this little flip thing. Pretty neat. The weight, it probably, I know this is going to sound weird, it weighs about the amount that it looks. So, it's not the lightest, it's not the heaviest. I think it's a good weight, honestly. I'm really happy with it. I think it's just a neat knife, and I just love knives. So there you go.